YouTube, man, what's going on? It's your boy Marcel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a wash and style. All right, man, y'all see I got the do-rag off. So before you start your washing styles, you wanna go ahead and you wanna comb your hair out. So if you're watching this right now, go ahead and comb your hair out. Man, so after you comb your hair out, and y'all can see, man, the hair is looking pretty high. So after you comb your hair out, you want to put your hair under the water for 30 minutes. And you know, I've been seeing this trend stuff on Instagram. They've been that lather stuff. Yo, you want to really get lather. So put your hair under the water for 30 minutes. All right. After I put my hair in the water for 30 minutes, in the next clip, y'all gonna see me brushing. Let's get it. All right, man, after you wet your hair, you wanna get your shampoo. Shampoo in your hand. You can put like this much. I don't know if you can see it. You can put like that much. And you wanna just rub it together. Make sure you rub it together until it turns white, just like this. Hold on. Like that, and then rub it in your hair. After you rub it in your hair, you're gonna get your hard brush, and you want to hard brush your hair all the way back down. Next, you want to hit your crown. After you hit your crown, you're gonna go ahead and just do the same thing over. Let's get it, boys. After you get done with that first brush session, you want to wet your hair one more time. You want to add shampoo. You want to make sure your hair is super laid. Now I'm wolfing, so if your hair already laid down after that, you can put your do-rag on and you can wash the shampoo out. But wolfing, go ahead and add some more water, add shampoo, and repeat the same steps. So let's get it. You done with this? This is the end of the video, but after I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna get another brush session in. But what you wanna do is you wanna put your do-rag on after this, and you wanna wash the shampoo out. I gotta get another session in. My hair is pretty thick. Gotta make sure this boy is really laid down. But hey man, if you enjoyed this washing style video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, hit that notification button, also subscribe. Hey man, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Alright man, so this is how my hair looks when it's laid. I had to show you boys, man. Y'all can see how it's looking, man. I had to get another session in. My hair is really thick. I'm also getting my hair cut on the 17th of February, but you see here, man, I really had to get another session in, and it's really laid. Hey man, you boys stay up, man. Keep brushing. It's your boy Marcel. Like we always say, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.